Hi everyone. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how you can use COLRv1 fonts in Figma. And I don't have Figma, so I'm going to walk you through how to get the app and the plugin and how to put that in. So you go to figma.com/downloads, and then if you're on your computer, you choose macOS if you have an Apple laptop or computer, and you use the one for Windows here, and you download that and install the app. And then for the plugin, you would go to github.com/lorp/figma-colorv1. I will put this link and the other one in the description so it's easier for you to click on them. But basically this is plugin that Laurence Penney worked on, and he worked on this with the Google Fonts library, which has COLRv1 fonts released now, and Figma also incorporates COLRv1 fonts from Google using this plugin, which I have not seen yet, so you're going to get my real reaction once I try it out. Basically what you have to do, you go here on the green button that says code, and then you download the zip, and then you unzip that file once you've downloaded it. So I've installed the Figma app and I opened it up, and I just created a new untitled file. So I'm gonna go into that now. And the way that you're supposed to install the plugin is you go to resources, and it usually goes to recents and saves, and it will show some community plugins, but actually you're going to have to install this manually. So you go to this drop down here in plugins, and you go to development, and then you click on new and import plugin from manifest. So I click on that, and then in my downloads folder I've already unzipped this, so I'm going to look for the manifest.json file, and I'm going to open this one. Figma would like to access files, I guess. Okay. Right, so it's here now, and I click on it, and it's open. So I'm going to type hello test, and I'm going to pick a font. So I'm gonna put the one that I worked on because I want to see what it looks like, and also because it's the COLRv1 font that has the horizontal gradients working in a variable version as well. So I'm going to pick this one, and let's go with black. Oh, okay, so it's there. Okay, it's right there. I'm gonna move this out of the way so that we can see this. Okay, so it says hello test. Let's see. Okay, so it's rendering as separate shapes. Interesting. So it's not rendering as a text, and each letter seems to be an object of sort. Let's see if I can change the size in real time. Okay, I can change the size. Whoa, okay. And the weight. Oh, cool. Okay, so you can use the slider on this. You can also use the drop down to choose, like, if you want the light, because I've put some preset widths in there. So there's that, and then palettes. What is that? Okay, let's try to change one of the colors. Let's see. Oh my god, it has this too. Oh, I'm so impressed. Okay, let's go for a yellow maybe, or greenish tone. Maybe this is not used in all of the letters. Maybe this one. Oh, okay. I'd rather go with purple or something. So that's very cool. Oh wow. I'm so happy with this. This is crazy. Okay, that's very cool. Yeah, so that's the plugin. Oh wow, I'm so excited about this. Yeah, it's been out for a while. My life has been a blur. I've not been able to check this out until now, but it's so exciting. I just wanted to make a video. I'm gonna put all the links in the description of this video, and I hope you enjoy. If you use this plugin and if you use my font, please send me a DM anywhere on socials or send me an email. I would love to see it. I will definitely check it out because I don't get that many DMs anyway. So yeah, happy designing. Bye.